So my name is Magnus Birch. I come from Sweden and I represent SensePeak. I'm actually one of the founders. So it's called PCBite for the simple reason that we are biting the PCBs. So it's a system for handling PCBs during development. So first of all, you attach the holder to the PCB. It's a magnet in the base. Just open it up and then you slide it into position. And the PCB becomes rock solid. Now you cannot move it. So the other thing we do is different kind of probes. This is a 500 megahertz oscilloscope probe. And if we look at the BNC part, you have the X10 pin. And this one is to identify what kind of probe you have. So it goes into your oscilloscope and your oscilloscope will immediately know what kind of probe it is. And it works like this, that you place it, it's a magnet in the base again, you fold it in 45-degree angle, and then you can go into any pin you like. So this is a QFN ASIC with 0.4 millimeter pitch. You find the pin, you push it in, gently release it, and now I can even shake the table, it will stay. The other kind of probe we have is this one. All our probes, you can take them out of the holder, but once you put them inside, it becomes hands-free. So this one is for logic analyzers, multimeters. You always get all the cables. So you just put it in like this. Again, you place it, and then you find the pin, push, release, and now it will stay. But we also have different ground options for the probes. So for this one, you always need a ground, and you can use a long ground up here or a very short ground down here. And our ground options is a little bit different from other manufacturers because our ground is actually spring-loaded, meaning that we can be totally hands-free and it will stay in place during the measurement. The other option you have that I really like is to use this little clip that you put on here, and then you can actually take a DuPont cable and put on here. And if you don't have a pin for the ground, you can actually use the other probe as a ground probe. So I know I have the ground over here, and now I can use this probe and just fly around looking for the signal of interest. And once I find it, I'll just push it in and it's done. And now I can place the next probe, and so on. And my hands can still continue to work.